Let me ask you a question. Do you spend more time talking about what you will do rather than actually doing it? Have you ever noticed that the loudest people often achieve the least, while the quiet ones, those who don't brag, who don't boast, who don't announce their plans, are the ones who surprise the world with their success? Today, I want to share with you a story that will open your eyes to the truth. Success doesn't come from noise. It comes from action. Sometimes, the most powerful statement you can make is silence followed by results. There was once a young man named Arjun. Arjun grew up in a small town. His family wasn't wealthy. His father was a mechanic who worked long hours in a dim garage, fixing broken engines with greasy hands. His mother sold vegetables in the local market, smiling through her struggles just to make sure there was food on the table. Arjun wasn't born with privilege. He didn't have connections. He didn't have special opportunities. But he had one thing: dreams bigger than his circumstances. He wanted to become an engineer. He wanted to design machines that could make life easier, safer, and better. But whenever he told people about his dreams, they laughed. "Arjun," they said, "look at yourself. You don't even have money to buy new clothes. How will you ever become an engineer? Stop dreaming too big. Get a simple job, a tail down. This world doesn't reward people like you." The words pierced his heart. But at first, Arjun made the same mistake many of us make. He tried to prove himself with words. He argued. He explained. He told everyone how hard he would work, how much he would study, how he would not stop until he succeeded. But every time he spoke, the world only mocked him louder. You see, people don't respect words. They respect results. So one day, Arjun decided, no more talking, no more explaining. From now on, my actions will speak louder than anything I could ever say. Arjun began waking up before sunrise. He worked in his father's garage during the day, inhaling the smell of fuel and sweat, and at night, he studied under a flickering lamp because electricity in his neighborhood was unreliable. Many nights, he fell asleep with books open beside him, his hands stained with engine oil. His friends were out enjoying themselves, but Arjun was grinding in silence. He stopped telling people his plans. When they asked him, "What are you doing these days?" he just smiled and said, "I'm learning." No details, no long explanations, just quiet work. But life wasn't easy. There were times when he felt crushed. He failed an important exam. He didn't have money to buy proper study materials. Sometimes he wanted to scream, to tell the world how unfair life was. But instead of shouting, he worked harder. One day, his father's garage got a rare visitor, an old professor from the nearby engineering college. His car had broken down, and he brought it in for repair. While his father was busy, Arjun looked at the car and immediately diagnosed the problem. He not only fixed it, but explained to the professor how the engine design could be improved for better efficiency. The professor was shocked. "Young man, where did you learn all this?" Arjun simply smiled and said, "I just love learning." Impressed, the professor decided to mentor him. This time, he passed with one of the highest scores in the district. The same people who once laughed at him were silent now. He didn't need to argue anymore. His results spoke for him. Years passed. Arjun studied relentlessly. He graduated with honors and eventually designed a breakthrough engine model that made vehicles more efficient and environmentally friendly. He was invited to conferences, awarded prizes, and recognized globally. When reporters asked him, "How did you handle all the people who doubted you?" Arjun smiled and said, "I never tried to handle them with words. I let my success be my reply." The crowd clapped. And deep inside, Arjun knew silence and action had taken him further than arguments and noise ever could. My friend, here's the truth. The world doesn't need to hear your promises. The world doesn't need your explanations. The world doesn't need your loud declarations of what you will become. The world only respects results. Let your hard work speak. Let your dedication speak. Let your results speak. Silence is powerful because silence confuses doubters, disarms critics, and humbles those who laughed at you. So if you are struggling today, stop announcing your every move. Stop arguing with people who don't believe in you. Stop trying to prove your worth with words. Instead, go out there and quietly build your dream. Work so hard, so smart, and so consistently that one day your success makes more noise than your voice ever could. Remember this: be quiet, stay focused, let your actions speak. And when your time comes, speak. And when your time comes, spend. Trust me, people won't ask what you were planning to do. They'll stand in awe of what you've already done. So don't give up. Your time will come. Stay silent, stay strong, and let your success do the talking.